Ooh, what's this? My nose feels funny. Oh no, I think I'm gonna... Achoo! Whoa, that was a big sneeze, but why do we sneeze? Let's find out. Meet Mr. Dust. He's super tiny, but when he flies up my nose, my body goes, "No way, Dust!" Inside our nose, we have tiny hairs and boogers. They trap dust, germs, and other icky stuff so we don't breathe it in. But sometimes dust sneaks past. Uh-oh, here comes a troublemaker. Time for the sneeze alarm. Our brain says, "Emergency, get that dust out." And boom, we take a deep breath. Wow, sneezes are like super fast air cannons. They can travel over 100 miles per hour. Whoosh! Phew, that was a big one. Sneezes help keep us healthy. But remember, always cover your mouth with your elbow or a tissue.